Good morning everybody, I hope everybody's well and okay today. It's quite dull outside, as you can guess, here in the UK, but never mind. Hopefully the sun will soon shine its little head again and we'll be back in the yellow, hopefully. Now today I'd like to talk to you about budgie seed. As you know, all around the world there's all types of budgie seed. But mind you, there's only one type, but it's different brands. Like at the moment, what the budgie seed I'm using for Sammy is this Trill. Right, the reason why I got Trill is because I believe it's the nation's favourite or something like that. Usually, however, I usually get my budgie seed from a local pet store, but it wasn't open that time and I really needed some seed for our Sammy, because I basically had nil seed left after that morning. So I was desperate. So I ended up looking on Amazon and I got about 12 of these for around £16 because there was an offer on. Now Trill is usually expensive. I remember getting one box, that was also because the shop wasn't open. I got one box of this for £3. £3. So Trill isn't the cheapest, but Sammy seems to like it, so I got 12 from Amazon. Now with birdseed, it's like any other food what you have in the fridge. Once a box is opened, your seed starts to spoil. I think you all probably know this, but it starts to spoil and it'll be wasted, because sometimes when you buy seed you get them in a bag, you get it in like a cellophane bag, and once it's opened, well, it starts to spoil. So that's why really, to keep your seed fresh, put it in a container just like this one, wash it out and make sure there's no wetness in it whatsoever, because your seed, it'll spoil your seed wet. And just use a Tupperware box like this, or even still this one, just like that, just to keep your seed fresh and airtight, because it's the air, it's the environment that spoils your seed. So that was just a few examples to show you on how to keep your seed fresh, because spoiled seed, it's just not good for your budgie. Or wet seed, that's probably even worse. So just bear that in mind. Okay, Sammy is okay. She's just on a cage there. So I hope everybody has a lovely day. If you liked this video, I've got over 200 videos now on this channel. I am thinking of creating another video, another channel for different purposes. because there's some videos on my channel that don't include Sammy. So I am thinking of creating another channel. That got me thinking. I watched the YouTube channel Purdy, and he mentioned he had another YouTube channel as well as the one he's got. So I'm thinking of doing that. So thanks to that person, I'm able to learn a bit more about YouTube. See, that's the beauty about YouTube. You're learning all the time. And if something comes up and it's like a light bulb exploding in your head. So thank you. And thank you everybody for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you ever so much.